Now, the crypto space is on a major dip today. We see prices moving lower. Honestly, I don't care what cryptocurrency you're looking at. It is in the red today. Earlier in the day, we looked at CoinMarketCap and scrolled through the top 100, and 6 cryptocurrencies out of the top 100 were in the green. That means 94% of all cryptocurrencies out there are in the red today. But what's driving the news? We're going to go over some headlines in this video because you're going to see that all of the news is bullish. We're just on a little bit of a dip. It is a technical move to the downside right now, and it could be an excellent dip buying opportunity that could set you up for even better bull market runs. We're going to talk about some major players that are setting themselves up for dip buying opportunities, major bull market runs, and then huge opportunity to make a ton of money. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we got these headlines on the screen, but I want to tell you we're also going to be going over the PlayDoge pre-sale in this video because, my goodness, these guys have already sold $4.34 million worth of PlayDoge. The demand here is excessively high. I believe these guys are doing an excellent job of hitting the correct demographic, and if at any time during the video you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure to use the link in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website. There are scam sites out there, so just make sure to use the correct one down in the description. But dude, let's go over these headlines, okay? Because it is a very red day. 94% of all of the cryptos are in the red today. Only 6% are in the green. Traders. Ethereum is the most bullish altcoin as Ethereum reclaims $3,500. Okay. Ethereum and other top altcoins that land in favorable zones. Check out this list. Okay. MicroStrategy to buy more Bitcoin. They plan to raise $500 million. Michael Saylor's 21 Rules for Bitcoin calls Bitcoin chaos and an economic, I don't know what the rest of that headline says, an economic virus. It's an economic virus that is making Michael Saylor a ton of money, and the 100% sole focus of MicroStrategy, which is selling a private equity raise of $500 million to buy more Bitcoin. So this dude is buying the dip right now. And guys, when you buy $500 million worth, and it goes back up 10% to the recent highs that it's been touching, you just made $50 million. This guy is buying the dip. Everybody else out there is showing positive news. So what we're seeing is just a little bit of a technical dip, and it stings when it's so market wide that 96% or 94% of all the cryptos are in the red today. But when it bounces back and retail gains its confidence once again, that's when you're going to see massive, massive moves in the tiniest of the tiny. Guys, I'm telling you, something like PlayDoge, okay? This hits the demographic almost perfectly. And here's my kind of predictions on it. PlayDoge is going to launch. You're going to have the volatility like you do in every other pre-sale token. But a very interesting thing can occur with PlayDoge. About the time that the app and the mini games should be releasing, retail should be returning. Now, if you don't believe me that retail's not here, check out this graph. This is a graph of people searching for crypto. It is at bear market lows. This is the current level here at 14, and you can see 14 is the average that we saw during the bear market this last cycle. That means nobody's interested in crypto right now. Nobody's interested in cryptocurrency. Retail is not yet back in the game. And when they jump back in, that's when you see the 5, 10, 20x opportunities that everybody dreams of. And when they return, and that confidence is there, and these guys have a functioning game, a functioning app, and they are making waves in the crypto space, rising through the ranks as one of the top performing play-to-earn games, the price is going to surge. So once you're interested in buying, all you're going to do is simply click Connect Wallet and decide how much you want to jump in with. If you'd like to buy 5 Ethereum, you're going to be walking away with 3.2 million PlayDoge. If you want to buy on the BNB network, which might be better off for you, if you want to grab 10 BNB worth, you're walking away with 1.1 million PlayDoge. But if you buy with BNB, you're going to be able to stake. And staking rewards right now are 84% on an annualized basis. So you're going to be earning 84% without having to deal with the volatility on launch day and all of that. Now, as more and more people do stake, 222 million staked right now, as more and more people do stake, this rate of return is going to come down. It is dynamic, which means more people that stake, the less your returns. Less people that stake, when they withdraw those tokens, the higher your returns go. So please keep that in mind, that it does go both ways. But you can see here that these guys are building a fantastic play-to-earn Tamagotchi-style game. That means the more you feed, the more you water, the more you pet, the more you love your little Doge, the more PlayDoge you're going to earn. On top of that, they've got these tiny little mini games that they're building here, this Space Invaders style game that a lot of people are going to enjoy playing, and a lot of people are going to enjoy earning PlayDoge as they do. Now, the tokenomic breakdown is 50% going to the pre-sale, 6.5% to community rewards, 11.5% to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 10% to project funds, and 12% to those 84% annualized staking rewards. And if you guys are still uncomfortable or not sure how to buy, they've got a very easy walkthrough down at the bottom of their website. But the most important thing, get your questions answered before jumping in. Guys, when can you claim your PlayDoge is the highest asked question that I see. Once the pre-sale concludes, you're going to be able to claim on the BNB blockchain. Now, when is the pre-sale going to conclude? I've been told that they have 40 different price stages, which means you're going to see 40 different price increases before before PlayDoge launches and goes live. Now, just to show you how quickly they're also growing their community, you can see that they've already got almost 5,000 followers out on X, and they are extremely active, posting every couple of hours, engaging their community, and keeping track of their pre-sale. Having already done over 4.1 million, yeah, that number's already increased to $4.3 million just in the last day. Doing $250,000 to $500,000 a day in pre-sale activity when cryptocurrency interest is at bear market lows. Imagine what PlayDoge is going to be when the cryptocurrency world, or the retail world, I should say, returns to the cryptocurrency world. These guys could soar in value. I'm here. I'm ready. I'm loaded up. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are loaded up. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.